Kenzie here. This blanket will be crocheted in rows. So first I started with two rows of white color, then 2 rows of bright pink, and 2 rows of darker pink. And then I continued with the white color, and then I ended up again with 2 pinks, darker, brighter, and white, and then the border all around. Since the stitch ends with a wavy end, we're gonna have to make that last row flat. Stitch is a multiplication of 4, and then you draw that first chain as long as you want your blankets to be, and in the description box you will find the dimensions for different type of blankets and their sizes. All right, so let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you put your finger there, so it means you're done with the first repeat, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, the second 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we end one more chain. The first row will start with chain 3. Into that 4th chain from the hook, we will do 3 extended double crochets. So you grab the 2 strands here in that chain, you draw a loop, pull through the first loop, then yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops, and that is the extended double crochet. We will do this 3 times into that same chain. So now that we are done, we will skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and into the 4th one, we will do a single crochet. So this is how each row will start. So now that I'm at the end, turn my work to the other side and then chain 3, and into the base of the same stitch I'll do 3 extended double crochets. And this is how each row will start. The next repeat will be actually the thing we're gonna repeating at each time. So we'll go from the previous row, from the repeat from the previous row, at that top stitch we'll do a single crochet, and then chain 3, and into the chain from the previous row of the repeat we'll do 3 extended double crochets. And again we will do a single crochet into the top of that extended double crochet we have from the previous row. And that's what we will repeat. We'll repeat this square into each stitch. And this again has chain 3 into the chain from the previous row. We'll do 3 extended double crochets, and then we'll have a single crochet into the next repeat. And single crochet here. And that's what we're gonna repeat till the end. Once we reach the end, we turn our work again, we chain 3, and we repeat that previous row again for the length we want, and you can switch colors anytime you would like. Let me just show you how to switch colors as well. So when you decide to switch colors, you will single crochet into that last stitch, and then instead of continuing with your main color, you will switch to the new color, and you will tie the ends here with the old color, and then we'll chain 3, chain 3, and then you continue your work as before. And that's all to switching colors. Once you reach your desired length, it's time to make that side that is a little bit curvy a straight line. So here is the stitch. So this is the row before the last, and this will be your last row. So again, we chain 3, and into the same stitch in the base of it, we do 3 extended double crochets. And now we go here at the top of the next repeat. We will do a single crochet into that chain, and then we chain 3, and into that chain again, we will do extended double crochet and a double crochet, but only halfway. We're gonna keep everything on the hook, and we're gonna crochet them together, all of the stitches. So yarn over one time, do an extended double crochet but halfway and keep it on your hook. Then yarn over and do a double crochet but only halfway and keep it on the hook. And now you have 3 loops, which 2 of them are from those half stitches we have, and the third one is from the chain. We crochet them together, and then we go on the top of the chain of the next repeat, and we do a single crochet into that chain space. And now this starts forming a straight line. Or maybe you'll see it this way better. And again, we keep repeating the same thing. Chain 3, do an extended double crochet but only halfway, and do a double crochet but only halfway. Crochet those 3 loops together, and do a single crochet into the next chain space. And you keep going till the end of the row, and you will have a straight line to finish your side. Once you reach the end, single crochet into that last stitch, do 1 more chain, and you are done with your row. And you can cut your yarn off from here. Now let's start doing the border with the bubbles. Keep in mind that the bubbles are worked on the back side of your work. So if you decide to have a front and a back side, if you put any pictures, keep in mind that you have to work them on the back side. So insert your yarn anywhere you would like. And we will start with crochet, chain 3, go into the space between the rows and single crochet in there, then chain 3, and into the same stitch into the base of it, we do 3 extended double crochets, but only halfway. So yarn over one time, draw a loop, pull one time through that loop, and pull through the 2 loops, and wait for your loop on your hook. Now that you have 2 loops, crochet all 3 loops together, and into the same stitch we do a single crochet, so we can make that bubble. And then we chain 3, and then we move to the next bubble, which will be in the space between the 2 rows. We do a single crochet, and we repeat again the bubble, which is chain 3 and 2 extended double crochets, but only halfway. Crochet those 3 loops together, and a single crochet into the same stitch, and then chain 3 and move to the next bubble. And this is how you'll go and repeat all the way around your blanket. And when you push those bubbles up, they actually pop up by themselves on the other side. All right, and here how it looks on the back. So, well, let's keep going till the end of the row. If you like this video and it gave you a great idea and inspiration, and you learned something new, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel. And here is the little applique for the blanket. Instead of doing a curly ponytail, I made just chains of 20 for the little ponytail for my little person here. And I'll get my blanket and I'll put it in the corner here of the blanket. I use the same colors for the hair as the border and that darker pink, and for the mouth as well. All right, so I'll go ahead and I'll make sure I also secure the hair in few places here on the blanket. You can check the detailed video for this applique in this link over here, or in the description box. I'll leave a link for the same video as well. If you like this video and it gave you a great idea and inspiration, and you learned something new, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and watch the next video with another blanket idea. Have a happy crochet time, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.